Hey guys, I'm back for this PMO with another episode of Engines of Edsa. This series is inspired by Amtrak Guys 365 Engines of Amtrak. Now, we will talk about the Lrta 2000 class. Wow! Before that, let's talk about the LRT2, like the history of it. Like, if you enjoy this, please leave a comment. Like, I need it to win. I need it for motivation. So, now, envisioned in the 1970s as part of the MRTDP, or Metro Rail Transit Development Program. It was planned in 1988, but it was stalled. But when Japan's official assistance fund stepped in, the 13th station line was built and started operating in 2003. The selected firms, or Hyundai Rotem, created the sets between 2002 and 2003. They were built in South Korea. The specs are it having 4 cars. The length is 23.3 meters per car, with a width of 3.2 meters and a height of 4.1 meters. It runs with 1,500 volts DC overhead wires with a top speed of 80 kilometers per hour, and it uses a Toshiba IGBT VVVF inverter. And its configuration is MC1, M1, M2, MC2. By 2014, 12 of 18 sets remained in service, but then 2 sets were involved in a head-on collision. By October, 5 sets remained, but another was added because of the extension. And then, just recently, train set 3 was derailed while approaching Santolan Station, RIP 2012, but it was replaced by 2060. Safe to say, I don't hate or like the sets because it's weird for me to see like a heavy rail train in an LRT line. It's just meh. But I got a sweet pick because the driver let me inside of the cab. Thank you for watching. Peace.